Hello guys, I bought a shower from store. It is 7000 series Philips, the s7783 codes. You see its head. When I walked, it was not charging, so I searched a bit what is the problem. It's pretty new but not charging. I think it's because of the not charging was the long time not used and not charged, so the battery is totally empty. So I search in YouTube what can I do. Some people was advising to charge that battery, its battery, with regular USB charger. I tried that, even it's wait one day with that cable and charging. It didn't work. So I was ready to throw that machine. Then I tested with that one. This is my toy, and I arranged the voltage 3.60 volt, and just few seconds I connected them, and then when I try to charge, look at this, it's charging, so it is repaired. And then I set my new shaver. So how I disassemble my shower, and I can't show, I don't have that time. Basically I will explain. That part was on top this with some screws. I unscrew them, and that body is inside that cover. And actually I pulled the that body inside of that cover. It didn't come, so I cracked here, do you see, and open a bit, then it came. So I think it's not big problem to glue it with crazy glue, and you can repair it. Then I take out the battery, this battery from here, and I repaired. So I don't explain this how disassemble all of the parts. I think you can do as I explain. Just be careful. If you have a bit experience about the electronics and mechanic things, if you repaired before some things, you actually understood me. That thing is on top. Okay, I will put on end of the video to how some pictures, maybe it can help to you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.